This will be the final look and start on this Troy-bilt chipper shredder that I got back running for my neighbor here. It's model CS4325, got a 3-inch chipping capacity. This is one nice machine, almost brand new condition. Don't think he'd used it very much. It hadn't run in about a year and a half, he said. It's got the 1150 series Briggs and Stratton engine on here. 11.50 gross torque, 250 cc. Monster engine, monster to pull by rope. But we got it back running. The carburetor, there's a little jet in the bottom of that bowl in the other video that I showed that was partially clogged. So we got that cleaned out. That carburetor was really clean inside, and cleaned this engine up and cleaned this entire machine up. Almost new condition. He'll be happy to get this back today. Hardest job was getting these little tires pumped up because these valve stems weren't coming out good enough to get my air compressor on it. So let's give it its final start here. Put it on choke. Give it a little bit of gas here. And let's see how well it's going to start today. Here we go. Warm up a little bit here. Idle. Kind of the momentum of the chipper shredder keeps that engine running.